In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Bluetooth audio cutting out in Windows 11 and 10. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So the first thing you want to do is you want to head on over to search, type in Bluetooth, and it's going to say Bluetooth and other device settings. It's going to open it up in your settings, and you want to make sure that Bluetooth is turned on. Alternatively, you can also go to the bottom right and you should see the Bluetooth icon right here. Once you see that, you want to make sure it's on, and then also just open up your settings. Then you want to scroll down to the headset or whatever you have that's connected to your Bluetooth device. For example, mine is the headset with a mic, which is the Razer Barracuda X Chroma. And then if I wanted to, I could remove this device and then just repair it and see if that works, and hopefully that should help. And if it doesn't, go over to advanced sound properties and make sure that your format is correct and how it should be. Make sure your audio volume is okay. And it also says audio, allow apps and Windows to use this device for audio. What you want to do is you want to press allow on this. You can also set it as your default device if you want to. And also if you don't want any audio enhancements because they might be messing up your audio, you can just click on this and turn off. If you've done that and it's still not working, the final thing I would recommend is right clicking on your Windows icon, going over to device manager, heading on over to Bluetooth, going over to the adapter for whatever you have plugged in. For example, mine is this headset right here, so it's Bluetooth device. And then I want to click update driver. You can search for automatically for drivers, and then in my instance I have the best driver installed, but you might not have, so just check that and it's going to say Windows has determined that the best driver for this device is already installed. If it's not, just download the driver that it tells you to, and then restart your PC and your headset or whatever Bluetooth device you have should work correctly.